of the summer. Before it's like, except that Schindler replaced the... You know, stop it when I look at the roof. It's fine, because he's... Not right. Okay, so over there it seems like, yeah, they're putting another lift in, so that's kind of interesting. So, okay, right, so we'll take a look at the escalators. Yep, there's the lift. See this car right over there. Yeah, it sounds like it's a recent installment since. Yep. So just over there, I don't know what it says beyond the thing, but okay, so I'm pretty sure I've already booked my actually I've already got my tickets, I'm going, so I've also got this escalator as well. Another Schindler escalator. I think I got the last side. Okay, I'll go. So yeah, we'll take this down again. And down there, that should be about it. And this is the down escalator at Hoyts Cinema in Christchurch. You see the newly built lift over there, and this is actually separate from this you access this by going from like a separate entrance, so you have to pay to ride down this escalator. So yeah, that looks obviously probably going to be like a 5,500. I think it's being put in because the fact that they've opened up like a golf course on the ground floor, which is blocked like the entrance, so I think I can see why this is being put in. So, but yeah, that's it. Okay, it's pretty loud here, but this is one of the lifts in Hoyts in Christchurch. Looks like a Schindler to be honest. Schindler. Okay, maybe it's good on. It goes up to 2, but it's kitchen staff only, so it can't go 1. So that was in service 2018. We'll finish this at 1 because I am actually going to be seeing and going to check about a movie, so yeah. What the hell? That's where we're up. And you're watching. Okay, back in this lift again. I was super cool because the reception's really just outside, and yeah, this is basically just a down on the slide. So we're back at round. That's it. Here is the other lift in the actual movie theaters itself. The reason why I'm able to access lifts because I actually have purchased a ticket for a movie. So yeah, that's why. Let's see if this one's any different. Okay, kind of the same to be honest. So yeah, this lift actually also goes to ground, but it's not public access, so that's nice. How's it could use for 30 persons. Here we are up at level 2, so go back down to 1. There was a bumper ground, but you can't see it, so yeah. We got one. Let's watch it go. Okay, actually. Oh wait, there it goes. And that's it.